Hi everyone, especially car lovers and enthusiasts. In this video I will told you my old dream, what was built this coffee table from V8 engine block. Everything started ages ago. Somewhere in internet I was see some pictures and I really fancy. And this is his day. Now it's happened. It takes around half year from scratch to the finish. Basically, I bought it separately engine block V8 BMW M62 B35 from a scrapyard. Block don't have it pistons, so just only have it empty naked block. So later on, after some couple months, I find out pistons from another scrapyard, but they was a little bit different. In my way it will be better, because it was came from M62 B44 engine. So basically piston heads, it was even bigger, and in final result, it was even looks much more better because piston heads bigger. And then later, when I got it all parts, I was started cleaning all oil mess, dust. It was not so bad condition. Pistons was burned with oil little bit, but I had good chemical and I cleaned it out. Now final result, it looks good, yeah. Then I was leave this project for a while, for a couple months. I had another things sorted, and third step was funniest. When needed, will be measuring everything. Find out where I will screw these pistons, tempered glass, screws, roller these wheels, because this was important for me. I wanted when this table will be removed around the apartments easily, because it's heavy enough. Block by itself weighs around some 20 kilograms, pistons 4 pieces around some 5-10 kilos. I don't measuring exactly, but I just said roughly. And then glass also, it's around centimeter thick, and I show you later on how everything will be look. Then I found these good rollers. Every roller has a maximum takeoff weight around 30 kilograms each. On the bottom of engine block I found screw holes, and these I use it for these roller wheels. Screw size was 6 by 20. The trickiest way was connected rods, screw it to the block, which is together with pistons, because they has a screw hole by 8, which connected originally crankshaft for engine from both sides. How I have it already in engine block, screw holes by 10 made it. So I thought that, use it, these, not drilling new ones. And therefore I was bringing these connected rods to the specialists, which drilling me bigger diameter these connected rods from 8 to the 10.5. And then finally successfully screw it back to the block, and now connected rods hold perfectly. So later on then was part of glass. I had a lucky find out second-hand coffee table, which I stripped and got it this nice tinted glass. And for glass gluing I use it epoxy glue, and at the moment it holds really well. And for a final touch I got it BMW emblem 74mm and stick it for in one side, and LED smart stripe. I put it on the bottom of block. In video I will show you how it's nice looking in dark evenings when lights out all 8 cylinders. And this is smart, which you can control it by phone application, switching lights. It even has option using music, and light will recognize music sound and daylighting by sound effects. If somebody wanted, I will leave on description all parts what I use it. Thank you for watching, enjoy the video, and see you next time.